Hey guys, it's Fun with Brittany. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Today I am just going to be opening up the 3 fragrance samples that TOCCA was kind enough to send to me. I do have another video where I unbox all of the TOCCA products that I buy regularly. I love their shower wash. I love their hair perfume, as well as their travel perfume and regular perfume. It's just a brand that I really, really love. And I asked to try a couple samples of some of the scents that I hadn't tried before, and they sent them right over to me. So I'm really excited to open these today, and I'll tell you what I think of each of the fragrances. Okay, so they sent me Liliana, Maya, and Gia, and I'm excited to try these because all of my favorite fragrances and the ones that I wear every day are different TOCCA variations. My most favorite are like Stella and Cleopatra. Those ones just, oh my god, they smell so good. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to see what I think of these ones. Liliana is supposed to be champagne, muguet, neroli, and peach. Yum. That sounds good. And this is one of their newer fragrances. This honestly smells so good. I don't smell the peach notes as much. It's more of like a bold floral. And I don't know if this is a good scent for me. It's a little bit too sophisticated for my taste. A lot of the TOCCA fragrances that I love are a little bit more sweet smelling and less florally. So, but it smells beautiful. So if you love a floral and you're more sophisticated than myself, it smells extremely sophisticated. So I really like the Liliana. And then Maya is wild iris, black currant, patchouli, and oak moss. And it does have some floral notes. So I'm excited to try this one compared to that other one. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I can't even right now. I love this fragrance ring. I don't know what to say other than that. This smells so good. It is so sweet, and like, I'm getting super, almost like cotton candy floral vibes from this. It smells so good. It's like cotton candy and berry or something. And I don't know if you guys know, but like this is very reminiscent for me because this smells very, very similar to the Betsey Johnson Tutu fragrance that they don't sell anymore. Honestly, this is definitely something that I would actually buy, so I'm glad that I got to try that one. And my favorite thing about the brand TOCCA is that they make so many things in little travel sizes and purse sprays so that you can kind of like get a bunch of fragrances for the price of one, and they do really great promotions too. So yeah, that's definitely something I hope comes in like a multi-pack later, and I always look for that during the holidays. And then the last one that we have is Gia, and it says it's pink peppercorn, tangerine, and Turkish rose. This is so nice that they sent me these samples. I'm so excited. It's super, super nice to get to try these because they just have like such a wide range of scents, and you can get it at Sephora where you can try a lot of them, but they don't have all of their scents. So all 3 of these are actually newer ones, and so I'm really, really happy to get to try them just so that when a new multi-pack comes out, a new little gift set, I know exactly which fragrances I'm looking for. Okay, and this one is very like fresh and baby powdery, so the Gia is not for me. Definitely not my style, but I'm super glad that TOCCA let me try these three. I honestly am in love with like almost all of the other fragrances. So at this point, Liliana and Gia are the only two that are not exactly my style. Um, which, yeah, that'll make it easier to decide when I go to buy stuff later. But I do have at least little tiny travel sprays of every single fragrance basically from them. And yeah, once it dries, it does smell florally and kind of sweet. It's just a little bit too like clean smelling for me, the Gia. Thank you so much, TOCCA, for sending me these samples. Thanks so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to be notified when I make new videos. Check the description box below for my review of the other TOCCA products.